this video, I'm going to teach you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and from in there, locate the CRM right here, wherein you can find your contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and the likes. You can choose between the record that you want to send a contact with. I'll head over to my contacts to make it even more straightforward. Once you're in there, it will load your data, and you can see right here their email. So you can just click onto their email right here. And once you have done that, it should be able to open it directly into a new tab as well. Alternatively, you can also just head over and select an app to open the mail to link. I'll head over and choose right here my Google Chrome. And then from in there, this should open right here the mail to for that, which is actually a manifestation of your Google account or the account that you're using with HubSpot. And it will send an email directly to that, and you can compose it however you want. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.